out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing?
Channel, or welcome if you're new. If you are new, thank you for watching. My name is Bria. I truly appreciate you clicking on my video, and definitely subscribe to my channel. Help me grow my platform. Subscribe. I just know she didn't throw her shoe. What's wrong with these children? But yeah, I'd appreciate your support to subscribe and help me grow my channel. I am so close to 200 subscribers, and I have put it in the atmosphere that I would reach 200 by December 31st. I am going into 2024 with 200 subscribers. I believe it. I put it out there. I have prophesied that. So subscribe and help me reach that. So yeah, it is Friday actually, and Brooke and I just left the movies. As you guys just saw, I got a little bit of a headache. But yeah, we saw the Trolls movie, which I know came out a while ago, but I don't like going to the movies when it first comes out and then it's super packed and everybody's there. Brooke, let mommy talk, please. So I just go, I wait. Like, usually if you give it like 3 weeks, the crowds die down. So yeah, we just left the movies. And oh, I saw the preview for The Color Purple movie, and I really want to see it. I think it's going to be really good. I actually want to get my mom and my dad tickets, like as a Christmas gift, or like maybe I'll get them an AMC gift card so they can go see it, because it's one of it is my mom's favorite movie, The Color Purple. So I think I'm gonna get them a gift card so that they can see it and they can like have a little outing, a little date, you know, day date or whatever, you know, because I shared that my mom is like a caretaker for her mom, so my grandmother. So it would be good for her to get out, and for them, you know, her and my dad don't really go out anymore because it's pretty much go to my grandma's house, either her or my sister or both of them, and then work, you know, off of work back over there to, you know, care for her. So yeah, I think that would be nice. So I'm actually going to see if I can get an AMC gift card, and that way they can just go see the movie. But yeah, I think I do want to see that Color Purple movie, because that looked like it was good. I think Fantasia might get an Oscar. I think she might get an Oscar for that, and the movie ain't out to the public yet, but I think she might get an Oscar for that movie. I'm hungry, like my head is hurting. I really think it's just like PMS symptoms, because that time is likely approaching. So yeah, I have a headache, so I need to just go home and get some water so I can hydrate. And yeah, we did stop and get I some munchkin, the little munchkin donut bites for Brooke. And I got me a pretzel. So yeah. But yeah, we got a little bit of a drive home, and I honestly think I'm just gonna eat when we get home. I don't need to be spending no more money. I'm trying to just really, I don't know where you're going, like what you're gonna run me over. So yeah, I'm trying to be more mindful of my spending. I still got a couple more Christmas gifts to get. I was not trying to be in this position, but I am. So yeah, I got a couple more Christmas gifts to get, and we're what, 10 days from Christmas right now, so as I'm recording this. So yeah, I just got a few things that I need to pick up, which I will likely get from like Burlington or Marshall's. Burlington has been my store this holiday season, so I think I might go with them and just get a couple more things. And I'm actually going to start wrapping some gifts tonight. I am not trying to be up on Christmas Eve wrapping a million gifts. We're not doing that. Even if because you know Brooke is still little, so I don't want her to like tear stuff up. But even if I just wrap them and like I can put them like upstairs or somewhere in the house, but I'm not finna be wrapping a whole bunch of gifts on Christmas Eve. I want to spend Christmas Eve resting. I have that day off work, so I just want to rest. Like, that might sound silly or boring, but I am a mom to a young child, and any opportunity I get to rest, I want to rest. So I want to rest that night. I want to bake cookies with my baby, watch some movies, and just chill in pajamas. I just wanted to come on and introduce the vlog, introduce myself. I hope I introduced myself. If I didn't introduce myself, my name is Bria. Thank you for watching. But yeah, we are, oh, you know what it is? You know what it is? I didn't have any coffee today, so that's another reason why my head is hurting. If I don't drink coffee, I get a headache. And I did not have any coffee today. I'm gonna focus on the road because people do not know how to drive, and yeah, I ain't got time. So yeah, I'm gonna focus on driving because it's a little bit of traffic. We're kind of about to hit rush hour here soon. Like schools letting out, people getting off work. So yeah, just lots of traffic, and it's annoying. Get us home before it starts getting dark, because y'all know your girl got real bad astigmatism, and I cannot see when it's dark. It's so hard to see. If you have astigmatism, you know what I'm talking about. But the lights are my eyes don't process light at all. And just chatting, and I don't want to bore you, so I'll see y'all when I have something to update you on.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child. Holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace.
Hey y'all, so I'm editing this video now and it's not a lot going on and it won't be very long, but yeah, I did just want to make sure that I got it edited and out to you guys. It's been a pretty rough couple of days. I haven't been feeling well, so yeah, we just didn't really go out and do anything else. So yeah, I'm hoping I should be feeling a little bit better like tomorrow. Yeah, it's just been a rough cycle for me this month. I do have fibroids and yeah, I'm feeling the effects of them. Plus, I think being in my 30s, some things are changing. But yeah, it just has been a rough cycle. Some months are better than others. But yeah, literally I was having, the pain felt like contractions, like when I was in labor. My doctor did say they're still pretty small. So like surgical intervention she wouldn't recommend yet. But I don't want to have surgery, like at all. I've already had 2 within a year, a C-section and a gallbladder removal. So I don't want to be cut on anymore, like throughout my life, unless, you know, something is causing me to have a reduced quality of life. We'll see, but I'm planning to make some changes, some lifestyle changes, and I'm hoping that that will help. And you guys will see more of that type of stuff in 2024. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and close out the vlog and apologize for it not being that much content. But yeah, I just really haven't been feeling well. Yeah, I'm gonna close out this vlog. And the next vlog, which will just be my last vlog for Vlogmas, since I have been uploading every other day. It's supposed to be 12 days of Vlogmas, but I'm not quite sure if I'll actually have 12 videos. I gotta check, but whatever, I did my best. So yeah, 12 days of Vlogmas. The last one I'm just gonna upload on Christmas Eve. So yeah, the next vlog will just go up on Christmas Eve, and that'll likely be my last vlog for 2023. So yeah, I'm gonna close out this one. The next one should be a little bit more interesting. I should have some things that I'll be doing. So stay tuned. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. I promise I am going to start uploading on Instagram and uploading again on TikTok. And yeah, you guys, I will see y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.